One of the hotels we like to stay at when we are staying at Universal Orlando is Dockside Inn and Suites, which is part of Universal's Endless Summer Resort. On this visit, we were staying in a standard room but got upgraded to a pool view room. So let's take a look around. As you can see where you enter the room, you have a full-length mirror. And if we swing around here, you see the bathroom, which you have a nice vanity with a lighted mirror, a hair dryer, plenty of space there too for your towels and belongings. And separate from the vanity area is your tub and shower. And we see the toiletries that are provided by the hotel. And your standard toilet. Opposite of the bathroom, you have this curtained off nook, and it contains your safe, an ironing board, an extra pillow, and a place to hang up anything that is needed to be hung up. The room has a digital thermostat, and of course you can get adjoining rooms. This room came with 2 queen beds, and we love the theming, and we love the brightness and the cheeriness of the room. As I said earlier, this is a standard room, but they also have a 1-bedroom option, which is wonderful. Our son loves it when he comes with us. Over on the opposite wall, you have a mini fridge and you have a coffee maker, and this coffee maker takes the flat pod type of coffee. And you have your ice bucket, and you have 3 cabinets, a little ottoman there, your trash can, a telephone, your TV, a chair, a lamp. Now, between the 2 beds, you do have a little nightstand there, and you have plenty of places there to charge your phones overnight. And here's just a quick look out the window to that gorgeous pool view. This concludes our tour of the room here at Dockside. Stay tuned for more tours. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Here's another video you might like.